Hey everyone, and welcome to Gardening with Ben. A little tip for you today. If you were growing poppies, which we grew some absolutely beautiful ones, which I'll show you a picture of in the next clip. So as you can see, they're absolutely gorgeous. So what we're going to do is we're going to save the seed heads for next year so that we can grow more of these poppies, as they're absolutely phenomenal and they look absolutely gorgeous. So we want more of these poppies to grow next year and hopefully have a fantastic display down here at the allotment. So let's save the seed heads. So as you can see, we've got nice big seed heads on where my poppies were. So what we're going to do is we're going to snip them off and we're going to dry them out and save these seed heads for next year. So as you can see, we've snipped them off, so we need to leave these to dry out and then remember where we've saved them for next year so that we can start them off again, sow them and grow some beautiful poppies, and we'll have absolutely thousands inside this big one, definitely. So yeah, it saves you money and produces your flowers in the long run. So we've popped them in a little pot and we're going to keep them in a shed where it's nice and dry and warm, so that hopefully they dry out pretty well and we can save them to sow next year. So I hope you've liked that little gardening tip for today to help you get more flowers down in the garden and the allotment. Make sure you give us a subscribe, hit the bell so that you get more notifications when we post new videos to stay up to date. Give it a like and leave a comment below as well to help push the video out. Until next time, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.